So na45 is going to get a huge nerf in season 2, and if you don't unlock its gold before season 2, you will have a lot of problem to unlock its gold in season 2 because it will be nerfed. So if you are a Damascus grinder, so you need to unlock its gold before season 2. To get the headshots and the long shots, just come in shoot house map and get them like this.
Contact with enemy.
Hardpoint contested.
Enemy contact
Point
is inside.
contested.
Boom. Headshot.
Hardpoint contested.
Target's inside. Enemy contact. Reloading.
Hardpoint contested.
Reloading. Cover me.
Point
Enemy
contested.
contact. Headshot. Tango down. Target's inside.
You need to get headshots in order to get long shots, because if you hit the enemy with the na45 and you get a hit marker, it won't count as a long shot.
Enemy.
Sensor killer drone ready for deployment.
That's why I recommend wasting one bullet before shooting like this, like I did.
Target's inside. Headshot. Reloading. Enemy. Boom. Headshot. Contact with enemy.
Hardpoint contested.
Enemy contact. EMP. Target's inside. Headshot.
Hardpoint locked down. Lost. Hardpoint is ours.
Enemy contact.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down.
Well, I hoped this video helped you. If it did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.